Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video. Here I am presenting my new lockdown project, and this is my Honda CG 125 that I bought for £370. I bought it off eBay. And I bought it actually of a person that have a motorcycle driving school where they are making the CBT classes, and they've been selling it. It was just sell for spares and repairs. And as for the lockdown project, I bought it in a pretty neglected condition and it needed some work, but as we have quite a lot of time during the lockdown, I thought I can just utilize the time to actually do something useful. And I bought this motorbike, so it has some issues with rims and they needed changing. So I've worked on this motorbike. I've changed the rims to the new ones, so now it's got nice shiny wheels. It's still in need some it's still in the need of some work that needs doing. So just a quick update on my Honda CG125. I want to show the things I was changing in this motorbike and the things I was doing. So from the back, those two fairings from the back were cracked, so these are now changed, they are new. The foot peg for a pillion passenger was missing. Foot pegs for the driver weren't great, so these are now sorted. Front fender was cracked, it's replaced, it's new. The wheels are new as well, so back wheel is new, including the sprocket and the brake shoes. Front wheel is new, but I've got an issue because over here that front brake is a bit bent, it's not fitting very well in the wheel, so I'll be changing that. Things that needs doing are like over here. You can see that this is a bit teared up. There's a front lamp which is teared up everywhere. It's absolutely horrible and it's sorting. Painting. Seat needs changing because it's got a tear in it. Oh, and from the things I've done as well, that's a left indicator because it wasn't there. It was just hanging off. That's sorted. Yeah, it generally needs repainting, so it will be a bit more presentable. It's horrible. and that thing from the back over here, you can see how much rust is over there, so that needs doing as well. So I'll be painting that. That's things to do. Change the seat, sew the front headlight and those bits of the rust on the back. So that's it. Right, so it's been over half the year since the last video, or just nearly half the year since the last video. So on this motorbike I've covered now nearly 76,000 miles, as you can see. I'm using it daily as my daily ride to work and back. And I must admit that Honda make completely bulletproof motorbikes. They might not be comfortable, as riding on CG125 is pretty rough due to weak suspension and harsh seat. They might be not the quickest, as VMAX sits around just over 16 miles per hour on a straight road, which makes most of the other 125s quicker than this, but it's reliable. It never breaks. The mileage on the one I own proves it. At 76,000 miles it runs strong, which with previous first owner since new being a riding school where generations of people were learning how to ride, proves that if it was serviced properly with oil change on time and used accordingly, these Hondas can make surprisingly high amounts of miles without serious investments being put in. As well, when taking a neglected one, it doesn't take much to get it going, as with my 370-pound project that with some minimal investments and rough mechanical knowledge turned out to be a success, turning it to a nice motorcycle, a daily ride that can be relied on. As for the future of this project, I'll be probably passing it over to the next learner to make the first steps on it soon, as I have some new projects coming in, so stay tuned for the updates. So, oh yeah, here you can see the new exhaust because the previous one have fallen off, so I've replaced it with new one. The bike is a bit dirty at the moment because I'm just using it daily, so it needs cleaning. Yeah, but that's it about that CG125 project. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your day, and don't forget to